How to hide and remove repost button on Instagram. Instagram does not allow you to completely remove the repost button because it is an inbuilt feature. But you can limit who can repost your post and hide repost activity. Firstly, go to Instagram and open it. Go to your profile and click on the three-line icon at the top right corner. In your settings and activity, scroll down. Now you just need to scroll down and look for an option called sharing and reuse. Inside that, you will see a section called allow people to share your post and reels. Now you can select post and reels to stories or repost on post and reels. If you don't want any of these, then make sure to turn off options for both of them. What this means is that people won't be able to repost your videos on their stories or on their feed. Once this is done, make sure to check your network connection. Make sure that you have a good internet connection. Now go to App Store or Play Store and look for updates that may be available for Instagram app. So that's all for today. Thank you.